Sup, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to this vlog. I heard the news about Jesse Powell just now. Okay, on Facebook, searching through things. Well, actually on Google, I meant to say. And then I found out Jesse Powell done passed away yesterday on my birthday. Okay, because years ago Tupac passed away on my birthday in 1996, and Patrick Swayze passed away the day after my birthday in 2009. Okay, while I'm doing this vlog, I want to show y'all that I have Jesse Powell albums. Okay, so glad I got these CDs. Okay, listen to Jesse Powell every now and then. Okay, y'all look, this it's all I have, y'all. The Jesse Powell album. All right, this it's all I have, y'all. Uh, his self-titled album, second album, about it, and JP. And I'm gonna get another one of his album. Okay, let me get my phone so I can do the research on how many albums he done made. Cause I'm planning on I'm planning on getting his other CDs, and yes I still collect CDs. Okay, I haven't collect CDs. And plus I didn't know Jesse Powell made a song album in '96. So I'm about to read what was happening. What what the cause of his death. It's not being shown though. Raised with his siblings Trina, Tamara, and Jacob. Trina and Tamara, the duo. You know. All right. So let me go down here. He's right here. Oh yeah. Here's the sentence right here. Powell died at his Los Angeles home on September 13th, 2022, on my birthday. At the age of 51 from a cardiac arrest. Okay. So for some of you that's wondering, I'm about to read it again. Okay. Powell died at his Los Angeles home on September 13th, 2022, at the age of 51 from a cardiac arrest. You know, yeah, that is so serious. So yeah, Jesse Powell made four albums. Okay, his last album was Powell. I don't have that album yet. So I'm planning on buying that one day, probably in December or something like that. Okay, this is third album. Okay, JP. About It is his second album. I thought it was his first album. But the truth of the matter is, to be honest with y'all, the first time I heard of Jesse Powell was in 1998 when he came out with that song. I wasn't with it. I saw that video first on BET, and then I saw that second video of Jesse Powell. I seen the song "You" first on BET, then second on the box. Mostly was watching it on the box. Mostly, sometimes on MTV. You know. Mm-hmm. Yep. So anyway, this album came out. His self-titled album came out in 1996. Okay, I assume I was in the fifth grade, as far as I know, going into the sixth grade. Yep. And I try to follow as much music as I could. Okay. So all I gotta say, rest in peace to Jesse Powell. Okay. Once again, here's the albums I got. JP, About It, the self-titled album. But this is my favorite album right here. Okay. I like that song. Up and down, in and out, baby. That's how it's. Oh, baby, let me turn it out. Upside down, round and round. This is how it's going down. I like that song. Let me sing that again. Up and down, in and out. Baby, let me turn it out. I'm probably singing it wrong. Baby, let me turn it out. Upside down, round and around. This is how it's going down. Yes, indeed. That's my favorite song, Up and Down. I like that song, You Should Know. My serious favorite song is You and Body. So at first I said to myself, he copying off of Master P. But no, he would never copy off of Master P. I was young and stupid saying stuff like that. I said the same thing about C Murder copying Spice One. When C Murder came out with that album Bossellini, I'll talk about that on another video. Okay. All right. So that's all I got to say. Rest in peace, Jesse Powell. Your family gonna be in my prayers. And as for Trina Tamara and the rest of his family, I want to give my condolence. Okay, my condolence to the family. Okay, all right. Thank y'all for watching, and I'm shocked as y'all are. All right. So that's all I got to say. So Jesse Powers is in a better place. All right. God bless. All right.